Bro, just forcing myself to wake up and check my fucking email. Let's say the fucking class is canceled again. Fuck accounting, bro. This time this lady wants us on a Zoom, so I guess we'll check that out. I don't gotta put my camera on.
Going up. Second floor.
Bro, I wish you guys could see the snow. Also, I've been listening to the Weeknd's new album. How do I get back? Oh, there you go. God, thank God I'm fucking muted. Dang, my screen's kind of dirty. Should clean that up. It's fucking fire. I still got like 9 more songs left.
Period
There you go.
to use minus
Way
raw
better.
materials at the end of the period. So this is looking at January,
Clean.
and we're doing the same calculation of begin.
Still snowing. Yo, my grandma went all out on these fucking cookies. The fuck? She said, so what cookies you want? I said, samosas. Bro sent fucking 6 boxes. Treats for the rest of the year, my G. Look at this shit. That's busting. Oh, I thought you'd send a box, bro. It's cute. Right. I'll show you the card. Lovebird fucking pulled through. Outdid herself. I ain't complaining. Ooh, the shades are down now. I don't do that. Someone else did. It's kind of like it's all up in here too. I'm scared I'm gonna put way too much because 1 serving is 1 gram, bro. I don't know how much a fucking gram is.